Nomenclature of organic compound. Common or tribal name. As organic chemistry developed, attempts were made to devise a name for every organic compound. These old names are now referred to as common or tribal names. Common names of a compound usually has some history behind and usually accept an account of its long usage. Though a symmetric method of nomenclature was developed later, common names are still useful and in many cases cannot be avoided, particularly for commonly used commercial organic compound. Stem name of certain common organic compound are given in table 14.5. Name formaldehyde. Number of carbon 1. Molecular formula CnH2nO CH2O. Condensed structure formula is HC double bond OH. Boiling point 21 degrees Celsius. Acetaldehyde N equal to 2 CnH4O CH3C double bond OH 21 degrees Celsius. Propyne aldehyde N equal to 3 C3H6O. So CH3CH2C double bond OH 48 degrees Celsius. Butyl aldehyde N equal to 4 CNH C4H8O CH3CH22C double bond OH 75 degrees Celsius. Aldehyde N equal to 5 C5H10O CH3CH23C double bond OH 103 degrees Celsius. Table name of some organic compound. Structural formula common name or tribal name. CH3CH2CH2CH3N butane. CH3CH3CH3 isobutane. C6H5NH2 aniline. CH3CHOHCOH lactic acid. CHCl3 chloroform. Ca triple bond CH acetylene. C2H5O C2H5 diethyether. CH3COH acetic acid. HC double bond OH formaldehyde. CH3CHNH2COH glycine. CH2CH CH2HCHOH CH2H is glycerol. And a systematic method of nomenclature for organic compound was developed under its banner. This system of nomenclature is accepted and widely used all over the world today. This system gives the unique name to each organic compound. To arrive at the IUPAC names of an organic compound, the structure is considered to be made of three main parts: parents, hydrocarbons, branch, and functional groups. The IUPAC name of a compound are obtained by modifying the name of its parent hydrocarbon, further incorporating the name of the branches and functional groups as prefix and suffix. For doing this, certain rules are formulated by IUPACs. We consider the IUPAC rule for naming saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Simple monocyclic hydrocarbon, simple mono and polyfunctional compounds, and substituted benzene the following. IUPAC names of straight chain alkenes. The homologous series of straight chain alkenes form the parent hydrocarbon part of the IUPACs. Name of aliphatic compound. The IUPAC name of a straight chain alkene derived from the number of carbon atoms contained. Table 14.6. Give the list of IUPAC name of first 20 straight chain alkenes. It may be noted that the stem name of first 4 members are accepted as the IUPAC name. IUPAC name of the first 20 alkene. Number of carbon 1. Molecular formula CH4. Condensed formula. IUPAC name. Number of 2. Molecular formula C2H6. Condensed formula CH3CH3. IUPAC name ethane. Number of carbon 3. C3H CH3CH2 CH3 propane. 4 C4H10 CH3CH2 2 CH3 butane. 5 C5H12 CH3CH2 3 CH3 pentane. 6 C6H14 CH3CH2 4 CH3 hexane. 7 C4H16 CH3CH2 5 CH3 heptane. 8 CH18 C8H18 CH3CH2 6 CH3 octane. 9 C9H20 CH3CH2 7 CH3 nonane. 10th C10H22 CH3CH2 8 CH3 decane. 11 C11H24 C3CH2 9 CH3 on decane. 12 C12H26 CH3CH2 10 CH3 dodecane. 13 C13H28 CH3CH2 11 CH3 pteridecane. 14 is C14H30 CH3CH2 12 CH3 tetrahedrine. 15 C15H32 CH3CH2 13 CH3 pentahedrine. 16 C16H34 CH3CH2 14 CH3 hexadecane. 17 C17H36 CH3CH2 15 CH3 heptadecane. 18 is C18H38 CH3CH2 16 CH3 octadecane. 19 C19H40 CH3CH2 17 CH3 nonadecane. 20 is C20H42 which is CH3CH2 18 CH3 isocene. IUPAC ring or branches saturated hydrocarbon. The branch or the side chain in saturated hydrocarbon alkyl groups or alkyl substituent. Before looking at the IUPAC nomenclature of the branched saturated hydrocarbon, we look at the name of alkyl group. Alkyl groups. An alkyl group may be straight or branched chain. The straight chain alkyl group is generated by removing one hydrogen atoms from the terminal carbon of alkane molecule and is named by replacing N of the alkane by YL. Some straight chain alkyl groups are listed in table 14.7. Straight chain alkyl group. Molecular formula. IUPAC name CH4 methane, C2H6 ethane, C3H8 propane, C4H10 butane, C10H22 decane. Condensed form CH3 methyl Me, CH2 CH3 ethyl Et, CH3 2 CH3 propyl Pr, CH2 3 CH3 butyl Bu, C2H29 CH3 decyl. A branched chain alkyl group is obtained by removing hydrogen atom from any one of the non-terminal carbon of an alkene or any hydrogen atom from branch alkane. Stem name of branch alkyl group containing up to 4 carbon are used in IUPAC name. See table 14.8. Tribal name of small branched alkyl group. Structural formula CH3CH CH2 CH3 isopropyl. CH3CH dash CH3 is isopropyl. CH3CH CH3CH2 dash isobutyl. CH3CH dash CH2 CH3 secondary butyl. CH3C CH3 CH3C dash is third butyl. Do you know the group C6H5 is named as phenyl groups and abbreviated as PH. Rules for IUPAC nomenclature of branched saturated hydrocarbons. Select the longest continuous chains of carbon atom to be called parent chain. All other carbon atoms not included in this chain constitute side chain or branches or alkyl substituents. For examples, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Parent chain has 5 carbon atoms and CH3 group is the alkyl substituent. CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Parent chain has 6 carbon atoms and methyl groups is alkyl substituent. If two chains of equal length are located, the one with the maximum number of substituents selected as parent chain. For example, CH3, CH, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. The CH, CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. Parent chain hexane with two alkyl substituent. Correct parent chain. CH3, CH, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH, CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. Parent parent chain hexane with one alkyl substituent in correct chain. The parent chain is numbered from one end to the other to locate the position called locant number of alkyl substituent. A numbering is done in the direction which will result in lowest possible locant number. CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, CH3. Locant number is two proper numbering. CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, CH3. Locant number 3 improper numbering. Third, name of alkyl substituents are added as prefix to the name of the parent alkane. Different alkyl substituents are listed in alphabetic order, with each substituent name preceded by appropriate locant number. The name of substituent is separated from the locant number by a hyphen. CH3, CH2, CH, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. CH3, CH3, 2H5. The name is 4-ethyl 3-methyl heptane and not 3-methyl 4-ethyl heptane. When both the numbering give the name sets of locant, that numbering is chosen which gives smaller locant, the substituent having alphabetical priority. Thus, the IUPAC name of the following structure is 3-ethyl 4-methyl hexanes and not 3-methyl 4-ethyl hexane. CH3, CH2, CH, CH, CH2, CH3, CH, CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. If two or more identical substituents are present, the prefix di for 2, tri for 3, tetra for 4, and so on are used before the name of substituent to indicate how many identical substituents are there. The locant or identical substituents are listed together, separated by commas. There must be as many numbers in the name as the substituents. A digit and an alphabet is separated by hyphen. The prefix di, tri, tetras, second and tertiary are ignored in alphabetizing the substituent name. The substituent and parent hydrocarbon name are joined into one word. Note that isopropyl come before methyl. Branch alkyl groups. Branch alkyl group. Having no accepted trivial name is named with the longest continuous chain beginning at the point of attachment as the base name. Carbon atom of this group attached to the parent chain is numbered 1. Name of such substituent is enclosed in bracket. CH3CH, CH3CH, CH3 dash 1,2 dimethyl propyl, CH3H, CCH, CCH2, CCH3, CH3C dash 113 trimethyl butyl, CH3CH, CH, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, CH is CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. So it is 2,3 dimethyl 4,1 methyl propyl heptane. IUPAC nomenclature of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Alkene and alkyne. IUPAC nomenclature of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Alkene and alkyne. While writing IUPAC name of alkene and alkyne, following rules are to be followed in addition to rule already discussed. The longest continuous chain must include carbon-carbon multiple bond. Thus, the longest continuous chain in 1 and 2 contain 4 and 6 carbon respectively. CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. First, in CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, C triple bond CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. Numbering of this chain must be done such that carbon-carbon multiple bond has the lowest possible locant number. Proper numbering: CH2 double bond CH, CH2 CH3. Improper numbering, which is 1 CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2. Then proper numbering is HC triple bond C, CH2 CH3. Improper numbering is CH3 CH2 CH2 C triple bond HC. Okay. So structural formula: CH3 CH CH2 CH3 and second carbon is CH3. So the prefix will be 2-methyl. Then IUPAC name will be 2-methyl butane. Then CH3 CH3 and second carbon there will be 2-methyl groups. So prefix will be 2,2-dimethyl. So IUPAC name will be 2,2-dimethyl propane. The ending "ane" of alkane is replaced by "ene" for alkene and "yne" for alkyne. Position of carbon atom from which multiple bonds start is indicated by a smaller locant number of 2 multiply bonded carbon before ending "ene" or "yne". For example, CH3CH2 CH double bond CH3 both 1 ene. CH triple bond CCH2 CH3 both 1 yne. If multiple bond is equidistant from both the end of a selected chain, then carbon atom are numbered from that end which is nearer to first branching. For example, CH3 CH CH double bond C CH2 CH3. On second carbon there will be methyl group, and in fourth group carbon will be CH3. Then CH3 CH C triple bond C CH2 CH3. On CH will be CH3. So if the parent chain contains 2 double bond or 2 triple bond, then it is named as diene or di-yne. In all these cases, A of ane alkane is retained. CH3 CH double bond CH CH double bond CH2 penta-1,3-diene. CH3 C triple bond C CH2 C triple bond CH hexa-1,4-di-yne. If the parent chain contains both double and triple bond, then carbon atoms are numbered from that end. Where multiple bond is nearer, such systems are named by putting en ending first followed by yne. The number indicating the location of multiple bond is placed before the name. CH2 double bond CH, C triple bond C, CH3, pent 1 in 3YNE. Then HC triple bond C, CH2, CH double bond CH2, CH3 will be hex 4 in Y, 1YNE. If there is a tie between double bond and a triple bond, the double bond get the lower number. H C triple bond C, CH2, CH double bond CH2 will be pent 1 in 4YNE. IUPAC name of simple monocyclic hydrocarbons. A saturated monocyclic hydrocarbon is named by attaching prefix cyclo to the name of corresponding open chain alkane. CH2, 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 cyclopentane, CH2, 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 CH2. An unsaturated monocyclic hydrocarbon is named by substituting ENA, YNA, etc. for in named of corresponding cycloalkane. For example, cyclohexene, cyclopentene. If the side chain are present, then the above discussed rules are applied. Numbering of the ring carbon is started from a side chain. For example, C CH2 C4 CH2 CH2 CH3. On first carbon will be C2H5, third will be CH3. So 1 ethyl 3 methyl cyclohexane. Then CH2 CH4 CH2 CH2 CH2. So in the first carbon will be C2 methyl group, and in third carbon will be CH2 CH3 CH2 ethyl group. So 3 ethyl 1 dimethyl cyclohexane. If alkyl group contains greater number of carbon atoms, then the ring compound is named a derivative of alkane. Ring is treated as substituent. For example, CH3 CH2 CH CH2 CH2 CH3. On the third carbon will be cyclopropyl hexane, isopropyl cyclohexane. IUPAC nomenclature of compound containing one or more functional groups. The IUPAC names of compound containing one or more functional groups include the name of the functional groups as prefix and suffix. How name of functional groups are modified when included as prefix or suffix. In the IUPAC name, some functional groups appear only as prefix and as shown in table 14.9a and b. Modified name of functional groups as in IUPAC nomenclature of functional groups appearing prefix and suffix. Functional groups prefix suffix COOH carboxyoic acids, COOR alkoxycarbonyl O8, COCl chlorocarbonyl OL chlorides, CONH2 carbamyl carmide, amide, CN cyanonitrile, CHO formyl Al, CO oxo ON, OH hydroxy OL, NH3 aminoamines. Functional groups appearing only as prefix. Functional group nitrogen dioxide nitro, X fluorofluorobromine iodine halo, chlorofluorobromido, OR is OCH3, OC2H5, etc. Alkoxy, methoxy, ethoxy. Naming monofunctional compound. When A molecule contains only one functional group. The longest carbon chain containing that functional group is identified as the parent chain. A number so as to give smallest locant number to the carbon bearing the functional group. The parent name is modified by applying appropriate suffix. Location of functional group is indicated where necessary and when it is not. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, COH. Butyric acid, no need to mention one. CH3, CH2, C triple bond N is propane nitrile, no need to mention one. CH3, silver bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Pentane 2O, necessary to mention 2. CH3, silver bond O, CH2, CH2, butanol, no need to mention 2. When the functional group cannot be used as suffix and can be only be the prefix. The molecule is named as parent alkane, carrying the functional group as substituent as specified carbon. For example, CH6CH2CH2CNO2, 1-nitropropane. CH3CHCH3. Second carbon will be OCH3. So 2-methoxypropane. Polyfunctional compound. The organic compound possessing two or more functional groups, somehow different in their molecules, are called polyfunctional compound. When there are two or more different functional groups, one of them is selected as the principal functional groups and the other are considered as substituents. The principal functional group is used as suffix of the IUPAC name, while the other substituents are written with appropriate prefix. The principal functional group is decided on the basis of the following order of the priority: COH greater than SO3H greater than COR greater than COCl greater than CONH2 greater than CN greater than CHO greater than C double bond O greater than OH greater than H2 greater than C double bond C greater than C triple bond C. IUPAC rule for naming mono or polyfunctional compound. The longest carbon chain containing or bearing the single principal functional group is identical as parent chain. Ether is named as alkoxyalkane, while naming it the larger alkyl group is chosen as parent chain. Chlorobenzene, nitrobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, butyl benzene. Some monosubstituted benzene have vowel names which may show no resemblance with the name of their entire substituent group. For example, methylbenzene is known as toluene, aminobenzene as aniline, hydroxybenzene as phenol, and so on. The common name written in the bracket are also used universally accepted by IUPAC. CH3 methylbenzene is toluene, aminobenzene is aniline, hydroxybenzene is phenol, methoxybenzene anisole, benzaldehyde benzoic acid. If the alkyl substituent is larger than 7 benzene ring 7 or more carbon atoms, the compound is named as phenyl substituted alkane. For example, CH3, CH2, 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 and second carbon will be phenyl. So 2-phenyl heptane. CH2, 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 and CH2 will be benzene, so hexyl benzene. Benzene ring as well as considered as substituents when it is attached to an alkane with the functional groups CH2Cl, CH2CH2, 1-chloro-3-phenyl propane, Cl is functional groups, CH2OH, OH is functional group, benzyl substituent, phenyl methanol benzyl alcohol, C double bond of functional group, phenyl. So C double bond of CH3, C phenyl. So it is 1-phenyl ethanol, acetophenone, disubstituted benzene derivative. Common name of the three possible isomers of disubstituted benzene derivative are given using one of the prefix ortho, meta M or para P. IUPAC system, however, use numbering instead of prefix ortho, meta or para. 1,2-chloro-dichlorobenzene is ortho-dichlorobenzene. 1,3-dichlorobenzene is meta-dichlorobenzene. 1,4-dichlorobenzene is para-dichlorobenzene. If the substituents are different, then they enter alphabetic orders. 1-bromo-iodobenzene is para-bromo-iodobenzene. Then 1-chloro-3-nitrobenzene is meta-chloronitrobenzene. If one of the two groups gives special name to the molecule, then the compound is named as derivative of that special compound. NH2Cl, 2-chloroaniline is orthochloroaniline. 3-nitrotoluene is meta-nitrotoluene. 4-bromophenol is para-bromophenol. Tri-substituted benzene derivatives. If more than two substitutes are attached to a benzene ring, numbers are used to indicate their relative position following the alphabetical orders and lowest locant rules in some cases. Common case name of benzene derivative is taken as parent compound. For example, 1,2,4-tribromobenzene, 1-chloro-2,4-dinitrobenzene, then 4-bromo, 1,2-dimethylbenzene, 3-chloro, 1-methyl, 4-nitrobenzene, 2-chloro, 4-nitrobenzenes, tribromo, aniline, 2-chloro, 4-methyl anisole.